How to fix TikTok stitch not available in some videos. If the stitch option is grayed out or missing in a TikTok video, it is usually because the original creator has disabled it and switched permission for that specific post or account. It can also be restricted due to age requirements or app glitches. So to fix these issues, what you can do is check for the app updates. So simply visit to the App Store or Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in the application name, that is TikTok, and hit our search, tap on the app logo, and if any update is available, simply press on the update. That will be available instead of open icon, and if it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. Now the next thing that you can do is clear the app case. So simply press on the open, then simply press on the profile section. Now tap on the menu, then go to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find clear cache and cellular option, and tap on free up space. From here you'll find the cache option. Simply press on clear and tap on clear to clear your cache. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.